what almost everybody online keeps saying right now. But after spending hours testing these AI video generators myself, I realized something. Most of those tools are not truly free. They are not unlimited. And if you're trying to build a serious business with them, most of them will waste your time more than help you. AI tools are powerful assistants, not magic businesses. The guru sells automation, but real creators still spend time, money, and effort making quality content. And the worst part, a lot of gurus already know this, but I won't tell you the full reality because AI automation sells better than honesty. So in this video, I want to show you what's real, what's fake, and what actually works, and how beginners should really use AI videos without falling into this hype. Because AI can absolutely help you, but not in the fantasy way people are selling it. If you watch AI content online long enough, you start hearing the same things. Make unlimited video with AI, run a faceless channel automatically, no editing skills needed, 100% free, passive income. And honestly, that sounds attractive, especially for beginners, because people naturally want faster results, less stress, and cheaper tools. So I decided to start the so-called free unlimited AI video generators myself. And at first, it actually looked promising. You type a prompt, AI creates something, and you start thinking, wow, maybe this really changes everything. But then reality starts showing up. The first thing I noticed, most of those platforms advertise free very aggressively, but after a few generations, boom, daily limit reached, or watermark, or upgrade to pro, or the renderings suddenly become extremely slow, and tools even lower the quality after repeated use. And this is the part people don't tell you. When you try to create actual long content consistently, especially 30 to 15 minutes video daily, the weakness becomes obvious very quickly. The AI starts struggling with consistency. Characters change randomly. Voiceover sounds robotic. Scenes stop matching the script. The passing becomes repetitive. And then something funny happens. You spend more time fixing AI mistakes than you would have spent editing manually. That was the biggest surprise for me. The dreams being sold is one-click automation. But the reality, most creators are still doing a lot of manual work behind the scene. Now let me expose the biggest secret most AI gurus don't mention. Most of them are not creating fully AI generated videos the way they make it sound. What they're actually doing is combining multiple things together. For example, AI writes the script, stock footage fuels the visual, AI voice narrates it, then they manually edit everything together. So technically, the workflow uses AI, but the final quality still depends heavily on human editing. And some creators are also using multiple free accounts, recycling content, using free trials repeatedly, or paying for premium tools while claiming everything is free. That's the part beginners never see. Because showing the real work destroys the fantasy. And honestly, I understood why beginners fall for it because I almost did too. Some time ago, I actually bought one of these AI business courses. The way it was presented sounded incredible. Automated videos, fast growth, passive income, and the idea that you could start making serious money very quickly. And to be fair, the creator wasn't completely lying. Inside the community, there were real people getting results. Some people were genuinely succeeding. Some were making impressive money, and they even had proofs. So at first, I thought, okay, this is real. I joined the community, started trying the method, watched the tutorials, tested the tools. But after some time, I realized something very important. The way the business was being sold was very different from what actually made people successful. What was advertised felt simple: use AI, automate everything, make money fast. But behind the scene, The successful people were doing much more. They understood editing, storytelling, consistency, research, content strategy, and audience psychology. Many of them were spending hours improving video manually. Some were paying for better tools. Some already had experience. Some had teams helping them. And honestly, before 1 month passed, I stopped chasing the fantasy version of it. Not because AI was fake, but because I finally understood success was coming from skill and system, not just pressing one AI button. And I also want to be fair here. There are people using AI the right way and getting real results. Some creators are building real channels. Some are getting clients. Some are growing businesses. But when you listen carefully to the people actually succeeding, you will notice something interesting. Most of them are not depending on free, unlimited automation. They are combining creativity, strategy, editing, consistency, and AI tools together. That's the real formula. Now, to be fair, AI tools are not useless. Actually, they are very powerful. But the smartest way to use AI is not to expect it to replace the entire creative process. The real power of AI is speed. AI can help you write faster, brainstorm ideas, generate voiceover, create subtitles, edit faster, and improve productivity. That's where AI becomes dangerous in a good way. The problem starts when people expect instant business, instant channels, instant success with zero effort. So if you're a beginner, here's the realistic part I honestly recommend. For short-term results, use free AI tools to learn. Don't focus on building a fake automated empire immediately. Learn storytelling, editing, hooks, thumbnails, retention, and scripting. Because even with AI, bad content is still bad content. Then use AI as an assistant, not as your replacement. Now, for a long term success, you eventually need a real workflow, better tools, editing system, consistency, and sometimes paid software. And honestly, that's normal. Every serious business eventually requires an investment. Even YouTubers making huge AI content today are investing, either with money, time, or skills. The hardest truth nobody wants to hear is this: AI does not remove the need for creativity, it only changes how content gets created. The people who will really win with AI are not lazy people looking for shortcuts. It's creators who understand attention, storytelling, emotion, and consistency. AI just help them move faster. So the next time somebody tells you unlimited free AI videos, fully automated channel, passive income with one click, understand this. There's usually a lot more happening behind the scene. AI is powerful, but hype and reality are two different things. And honestly, if you approach AI realistically instead of emotionally, you'll probably build something much more sustainable than most people chasing shortcuts. And now, if this video helped you see the real side of AI content creation, subscribe, because I want this channel to focus on what actually works, not just what sounds exciting.